Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Guys, a brand new WhatsApp update is finally rolling out, and it brings a feature I've been waiting for a long time. From now on, you can create a WhatsApp username. At the end of this video, I'll explain why this feature is so useful. But first, let me show you how to set it up. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on your profile at the top. Now you'll see a new option called Username. Tap on it. Next, tap Create Username. Now enter the username you'd like to use. If the username is already taken, WhatsApp won't accept it. Simply modify it slightly until you find one that's available. Once you've chosen an available username, tap Save and then tap Done. That's it! Your WhatsApp username has been successfully created. Now let me explain why this feature is so important. Previously, whenever someone wanted to contact you on WhatsApp, you had to share your phone number. They needed to save your number before they could message or call you. The problem is that many people don't want to share their personal phone number for privacy reasons. With this new feature, that's no longer necessary. Instead of giving someone your phone number, you can simply share your WhatsApp username. The other person just needs to open WhatsApp, go to the search bar, type your username, and they'll be able to find your profile and start chatting with you without ever knowing your phone number. This feature has been available in apps like Telegram, Messenger, and IMO for quite some time, and now WhatsApp has finally introduced it as well. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you want more useful WhatsApp tips and tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.